The animal kingdom is incredibly large and diverse. In this lesson, we will explain how animal clades are defined, describe what the cladogram of invertebrates illustrates, and express what can be learned from the chordate cladogram. Recall that in the past, taxonomists determined relationships between organisms based on their physical characteristics or physical similarities. Modern scientists often use DNA analysis to determine relationships among groups of animals, and this sometimes results in very surprising relationships. Within each phylum, different groups represent different variations on the basic body plan themes that have evolved over time. Land vertebrates, for example, typically have 4 limbs. Many, such as frogs, walk or hop on 4 limbs that we call legs. Among birds, the front limbs have evolved into wings. In many primates, the front limbs have evolved into what we call arms. Both wings and arms evolve through changes in the standard vertebrate forelimb. In a sense, you can think of each phylum's body plan as an evolutionary experiment in which a particular set of body structures performs essential functions. An organism's first appearance represents the beginning of this experiment. The very first versions of most major animal body plans were established hundreds of millions of years ago. Ever since that time, each phylum's evolutionary history has shown variations in body plan as species have adapted to changing conditions. If the changes have enabled members of a phylum to survive and reproduce, the phylum still exists. If the body plan hasn't functioned well enough over time, members of the phylum, or particular groups within the phylum, have become extinct.